Now the gear is up. It's coming back on the shoreline.
And I think it's time for some French lessons.
Correct. We will count from 1 to 4 in French. For the first time, I'll teach you and then you join me on the second time.
The 4-point hesitation roll. Go ahead, Luke.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And now join me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Thank you.
Merci. De rien. Now, over your shoulder from the left, the photo pass in the black steel formation. Ladies and gentlemen of Utah, look how they can fly within 10 feet of one another with such precision and gracefulness.
And our lead solo is arriving from your right for a low altitude high speed pass. And this is his way to say goodbye to all of you. Bye bye, Pompon.
And as Pompon exits, we have another message from Jacques in the cockpit. Jacques, you're on.
As a Frenchman, I want to say that very often flew over Normandy and through the military cemeteries where there are so many graves of young Americans who came and lost their lives to free my country. I hold them my freedom, and today I want to say thank you, America.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, directly in front, the final salute of the Breitling Jet Team. Ladies and gentlemen of Utah, would you join me in a round of applause for the Breitling Jet Team? Luc Garbiniere, it is a pleasure to work with you, my friend.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much for your warm welcome. We really